My name is Deja, and I hope you find serenity.
I hope you find serenity. I hope you find serenity.
Greetings, y'all. Deja here, and I really need to wash my locks. So I figured I'd go ahead and get it on video. Today, I'm going to be washing my locks with this rainwater I've been collecting. It's just this bucket that's been sitting out here. It's been storming a lot lately in Costa Rica. And it's been a while since I washed with rainwater. I really like it. I love that it's coming directly from the sky. So this is how my locks are looking. Let's do a pre-wash glance. I've been really having an itchy scalp. That's how I know it's time for a good wash. And I'm going to be washing today with this new shampoo I've been using, my apple cider vinegar shampoo from Morocco Method. I just started using this recently because they sent me some products to try out, and I've been really liking it. I'll show y'all how my hair looks afterwards. It looks super clean. And if you want to check this product out, I actually have a link. Either if you're watching this on YouTube, it's in the description. If you're watching it on TikTok, it's in my bio. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to be using this like old blender pictures to like wet my hair. Whew. It feels amazing. I actually was using the soap super generously, the shampoo, because I wasn't getting a lot of suds, but when I started rinsing, I realized, oh, it was in there. It's just like a darker color because it's all natural. And I have a pimple because I'm only human. Yeah, I swear my little tripod just broke while making that video. Time to get a new one. Anyways, I really needed to get ready because I need to go to town in a few minutes. But luckily, I'm going to be walking 30 minutes to the road anyway, so my hair is going to be able to get some sun. That's the best way to dry some thick locks, is spending some time in the sun. And then I just put this sarong on it to stop it from dripping. How's it look, y'all? How's it looking? Rubbing it down so I can get it as dry as possible. It's looking clean. I needed that. Side note, like if you ever find yourself really overthinking and really spending a lot of time in the mind, wash your hair. Wash your scalp. It really helps to realign with the crown chakra. Like literally clear all that energy out, baby. But yeah, my locks are looking amazing. They're looking lush. I really love this shampoo, y'all. I really do. Again, the link is in the description and in my bio, and it's doing what needs to be done. It's really doing what had needed to have been done. All right, now that it's a little bit more dry, the last thing I'm gonna do is use some of this shea butter. I'm almost out. This one in particular, my friend Courtney gave me. She lives in Ghana, so she brought it from there. She whipped it herself and added some orange essential oil, so it has a nice fresh smell. Here it's pretty hot, so the shea butter be really buttery. I'm just gonna apply it to my scalp. A little more. And some to just massage the locks themselves. I want it to be super thin because I don't want it to like cake up. Beautiful. Ready for the day.
Hope you find serenity. I hope you find serenity.